PM on whoa, that ain't how it goes. Going there's not supposed to do that. What the fudge? You really gotta do that to me? That dude just had to do that. Oh yeah. See, they don't get this. I'm the opening act and they're the main act. They're the opening act, I'm the main event. Let's put that around the corner. Oh, what the hell? I'm gonna go noob. I'm gonna kill him with shotguns. Really? That's what I thought. Fagatrons. Oh my god. Right, take a look. Oh! What the hell? I hate how that thing works. Don't see there. Really? What the hell? No, he's not. He ain't no hacker. He ain't a hacker. Alright, that's it. One Moab. That's the end of the video. Peace out.